info. This is Chaitra, your host tonight. This is my co-host Kirtana.
A warm welcome to each and every one of you to this auspicious occasion, the graduation and efficiency awards ceremony of Piyama English Medium School for the academic
Friends, teachers and all our well-wishers.
Gather here to celebrate the achievements and success of our young bright minds who have worked tirelessly to reach this significant milestone in their life.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much for
Good evening, one and all. Welcome to Priyanka English Medium School Graduation Day celebrations. I'm Rupesh, telling LKG. I feel happy to speak about my sweet mother. My mother's name is Savana. She is a housewife. She looks after the house very beautiful. She gets up in the morning. She prepares breakfast for us. Sometimes goes to market to bring vegetables and fruits. She helps me in my studies. Also, she looks smart when she gets a hurry. She has a smiling face. Everyone admires her. She is very loving and caring. She also helps our neighbors. I respect my mother. I am proud of her. Love you, Mom. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you all. Good evening. I want to share to all. My name is Yamoki Tati. I am telling LKG. I would like to have my feeling. It was like paradise of one education school. My school is situated at Kottayam Hello. His name is Priyanka English Medium School. There are more than 350 students in our school. There are 30 teachers. There are no persons, ventilator room. There are 2 beds and fans in every classroom. We read storybook and newspaper in it. There is a big playground. We learn yoga, dancing, chess, and other activities. I like my school very much. I thank my parents for choosing this and best school. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Correspondents, our teachers and parents and my dear friends. My name is Kerishkita. I am studying in first class. First of all, I wish you all happy graduation day. Today I would like to share with you about our country. India is my country. India lies in the continent of Asia. Our country has a large population of about 1 million. India's climate is different types in different regions. In the north part it is cold and south is hot. India has 3 natural regions. South Plateau is surrounded by sea on 3 sides. There is Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east. There is Big Ocean in the south called Indian Ocean. There is a variety of trees such as tea, salt, mulberry, etc. There are different crops growing fields. I love my country very much. Thank you all. Once again, happy graduation day.
Thank them with a huge round of applause.
Respected correspondents of teachers, parents, and my dear friends, my name is S.K. Jasmine. I am studying first class. First of all, I wish you all happy graduation day. Today I would like to share few words about my best friend. Rahul is my best friend. He studies in Government School in class 6th. He lives in Saket Meerut. His father is an army officer. He always stands first in his class. He helps me in my First of all, I wish you all happy graduation day. Today I would like to tell you about my family. My family is a nuclear family. There are 4 members in my family. It includes me, my mother, my father and my sister. My father is tall, dark and handsome. My mother is loving and kind lady. We do together every happily. There is a strong bond between each member of my family. My family members are every caring and supportive. I am engaged in my family. I love my family. My family is the best family in the world. Thank you all once again. Happy graduation day to all.
Exponents are teachers and parents and my dear friends. My name is S.K. Ashia. I am studying first class. First of all, I wish you all a happy graduation day. Today I would like to share few words about our school. My school is at Fataganapat. His name is Priyanka English Medium High School. It is divided into 3 buildings. One is preschool for nursery, primary and middle classes, and second one is for secondary school. There are more than 3,000 students in our school. There are 44 teachers. There are tubelights and fans in every classroom. There are science laboratories for practical work. Thank you once again. Happy graduation day to all.
Thank you, Ashwari sir. Very much delighted to come forward with their topics. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Our Priyanka Shetty, Srujan Kumar are very eager to share a few words with us. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Respected correspondents, teachers, parents and my dear friends, good evening everyone. I am P. Srujan Kumar from 2nd standard. Now I want to share few words with you about our national flag. Our national flag is tricolor. Its orange color shows strength, white color takes for peace, green color denotes rich green fields. All the 3 colors are in equal proportions. Our flag shows Ashoka Chakram on the white part. It is made of Khadi cloth. On 15th August, the Prime Minister and 15th on Red Fort. It can be seen on most of the government buildings. Our national flag is very beautiful. We should respect our national flag. Thank you. Happy graduation day.
Thank you, respected correspondents, our teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am S.I. Satvika from 2nd standard. Now I want to share few words with you about my principal. I am studying Priyanka English Medium High School. Mrs. Kakani Nirmala Srinivas Gavati is the principal of our school. She is an MABD. She maintains discipline in the school. She guides the teachers and the students. She regular and punctual in her duty. She believes simple living and high thinking. She inspects the class daily. She addresses morning assembly daily. She gives extra coaching to weak students. All the students like her and praise her. Thank you. Happy graduation day. Good evening everyone. Respected correspondents, teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Parnita and I am studying in 3rd standard. I will share some words with you about to save environment. The environment means our surroundings. Our surroundings is getting dirty day by day. So we needed to save our environment. We should not cut the trees. We should grow more and more plants and trees. We should use eco-friendly products. We should avoid others to save environment. We cannot live without healthy environment. Everything that present around is called environment. Environment is of 2 types, natural and artificial. The natural environment includes water, air, soil, etc. The artificial environment includes
discuss about concise communication. Concise language involves using fewer words to convey the same meaning, which can help make your research. Let us discuss about concrete communication. Concrete communication is nothing but focus way to include all of the important details and facts. Let us discuss about concrete communication. Concrete communication is very sense and logical. It is very important to be consistent with style and content when delivering multiple forms of communication. Let us discuss about the complete communication. A complete communication always gives additional information wherever required, which leaves no questions in the mind of receiver. Let us discuss about the courteous communication. Courteous means that you have taken into consideration the feeling receiver as well as you would. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Correspondents and teachers, parents and my dear friends, good evening everyone. I am P. Manomeghana from 2nd standard. Now I want to share few words about a visit to zoo. Zoo is a place where different kind of birds and animals are kept for show. Last Sunday I went to see the zoo with a few friends. We bought the tickets and entered the gate. We saw some parrots, pigeons, hawks, owl and sparrow. The small birds looked pretty in the cages. They were chirping in different types of notes. We offered the gram and groundnuts to the black monkey apes. We enjoyed the elephant ride. In the end, we saw lion, tiger, snake, bear passing up and down. The memory of the visit to zoo is still green in my mind. Thank you. Happy graduation day.
And what's with you all? Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Thank everyone, respected directors, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am here to share my opinion about an ideal student. An ideal student is someone who embodies their qualities and contribute to academic excellence. First, ideal students are diligent and committed to studies. They attended classes regularly, complete assignments on time and actively participate in classroom discussions. Secondly, ideal student displays good behavior and discipline. They respect teachers, classmates and school rules. This dedication stems from a genuine curiosity to learn and a recognition of the value of education. Politeness and courtesy are the integral aspects in their character, creating a positive and conducive learning environment for everyone. This well-rounded approach fosters creativity, teamwork and leadership skills. In addition, ideal students possess a strong sense of responsibility. They take ownership of their actions. They are much friendly and helpful to their friends. Finally, I want to conclude that an ideal student is not only shape a successful academic journey but also lay the foundation for education. Thank you for all. Special thanks for Director Sir for giving this opportunity.
Correspondents and teachers and my dear friend, my name is Vinod Kumar. I am from 5th standard. Today's topic is about impact of social media. Social media has become a very important part of our life. It connects us with a network. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter are very famous. Audio and video calls are easy through it. People are becoming more aware of everything with the help of social media. People are becoming more aware of with the help of social media. It increases the transparency in everything. But there are also some drawbacks of social media. Social media makes us aware. With the social media we can connect with people and friends. Through social media is a name that is everyone aware of. Social media is a name that is people are becoming more aware of. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Multitude of users which are positive and beneficial. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Thank you so much, Vinod.
properly, it could be used to develop a skill. Time also healing a person, both external and internal. Time is considered to be the ultimate thing that cannot be measured. As a proper work is done and completed on time, it will yield a fruitful result. As the proverb goes on, time and tide wait for none. All the students should understand this proverb. It is the duty of the person to time and manage it properly so that the task could be completed on time. Hence, we should also not waste time and use it wisely and try to make the best use of it. Students should understand that the time is invaluable. Time is more valuable than money. Lost money can be earned back, but lost time cannot be, and nothing can stop the flow of time in our lives. Time is precious and it is required that everyone should use it wisely. A person who completes his or her work on time will in turn to help them to be successful. To conclude this speech, I want to say that everyone should develop the habit to complete the particular task by the frame of time. Time is most valuable thing in our lives. Time is precious and it is required that everyone should use it wisely. The most important people in the world are very conscious by the value of time. Hence, we should also not waste time and use it wisely. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have a nice day to you all.
Good evening everyone. My name is Kanishka. Today I am going to tell about impact of smartphone. Smartphone was invented in 1999. A smartphone is a device really used for voice call, SMS, video call, etc. Just as everything has both positive and negative aspects, a mobile phone also has advantages and disadvantages. Some advantages are mobile phone made communication very easy with our friends and family members. It helps us to spot the places by using GPS. A smartphone becomes a good source of entertainment. We can watch movies, listen to music, and etc. And we can store lots of information in this smartphone, like images, videos, text files, and we can share them with our friends. And we have to see them for some time. And some disadvantages are mobile phone causes discrimination in people. Excessive using of mobile phone causes wastage of valuable of time. Addiction to smartphone causes distraction from work. Mobile phone causes various health problems like sleeping issues, and it affects our brain, and we will get some brain problems like tumor, brain cancer, etc. At last, I conclude that it is important to limit the amount of time spent on a smartphone and to use it wisely. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good evening everyone, respected principals and teachers and my dear friends. My name is P. Monica and I am studying in 6th class. Today's my topic is about significance of teacher in our life. Teachers are unique gift from God to us. They are once create justice, society and a better world. Teachers have an important role in society because they prepare the next generation to face the future with confidence and knowledge. A teacher is a person who provides knowledge and morals to students. A good teacher will help identify the students' strength and work with them to develop it. The students' progress in life and learning new things will be helped by their teacher. The full form of teacher is talented, educated, adorable, charming, helpful, encouraging and responsible. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated as the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Once Radhakrishnan said teachers should be best minds in the country. He strongly believed that an experienced teacher can lead his students to the greatest possible success in life. They try to share their life experience for a better future by acting as an open book. A teacher has numerous beneficial characteristics including achievement in all spheres of the lives of the students. Without teacher, it is impossible to develop intellectually, socially or mentally. Finally, my conclusion
Today's my topic is about junk food. We all eat junk food in our day-to-day life, which is very harmful to us because junk foods are food that lack kilojoules, salts, sugars, etc. We should avoid these kinds of foods.
Type 2 diabetics, cardiovascular disease, obesity, which is nothing but overweight, cholesterol, osteoporosis, and we should be aware of junk food because it contains many harmful chemicals. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Good evening to everyone. Myself Ahmadul. I am studying in 7th class. Today my opinion is would like to speak on pollution. First we know that what is the pollution. Pollution is a harmful material into the environment. This is also called as pollutants. Pollutants can be natural such as volcanic gas. These can disease many of diseases. Next we know the effects of pollution. The effects of pollution is caused by diseases like cough, wheezing, etc. Nowadays there are number of pollutions in our atmosphere. Next we know the what steps to reduce the pollution. First one, remove the number of tips in your vehicle. Next, stop burning leaves, plastics, etc. Next, we know the effects of global warming. The effects of global warming is what drought. There is no water in the life. These contain high temperature in the earth. Next, we know the effects of acid rain. The effects of acid rain is very dangerous. Some trees are died in the forest. The acid rains release minerals to grow trees. Next, we know the types of pollution. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. First, we know the air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of gases in the atmosphere. This air pollution is contain many of diseases. Next, we know the water pollution. The factories releases waste in the water. Nowadays, the water will be polluted in everywhere. Next, we know the soil pollution. Factories dump the waste into the soil. These disrupt the nature balance. The crops will die. Next, we know the noise pollution. The noise pollution is also created by ourselves. These disrupt the balance of nature, etc. Finally, I would like to slogan on this topic of pollution. Avoid pollution and save environment. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Ananda, welcome to Priyanka English Medium School Graduation Day celebrations. I am Rubesh, studying LKG. I feel happy to speak about my sweet mother. My mother name is Sahana. She is a housewife. She looks after the house very beautiful. She gets up early in the morning. She prepares breakfast for use. Sometimes she goes to market to bring vegetables and fruits. She helps me in my studies. Also, she looks after the smart when she wears a saree. She has a smiling face. Everyone admires her. She is very loving and caring. She also helps our neighbors. I respect my mother. I am proud of her. Love you, Ma. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you all.
Everyone, I am Chaitra from grade 8. I am here to give seminar about women's empowerment. First, I want to discuss about what is women's empowerment. Women's empowerment refers to the increasing spiritual, political, social and economical strength of a woman. It often involves the empowering development confidence in their own capacity, and women's empowerment refers to the making women powerful and making them capable of deciding for themselves. Women have suffered a lot through the years at the hands of the man. As the time evolved, they recognized their power. Dawn began revolution for women's empowerment. It is all about making women both socially and financially independent. Do you know what is the role of a woman in present society? So I want to tell about what is the role of a woman in present society. Nowadays, women have high place in Indian culture. They excel various fields. They play a vital role in the development of a country. The Constitution of India given equal rights with gender discrimination. But in some areas, discrimination against women still persists. And I want to say about what are the problems faced by the women in earlier days. In olden days, women have been facing problems like child marriages, sati pradha, pradhan pradha, restriction of widow remarriages, exploitation of widows, devadasi system, and etc. Women have been facing several problems through the years. They are not allowed to take part in decision making. Women are not sent to the schools. Crime against women are still become common in those days. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Keerthana from 8th standard. Today's my seminar topic about what is maths and about great mathematician. Mathematics is an area of knowledge that includes the topics of numbers, formulas, letters, shapes, and spaces. Mathematics is essential in natural science, engineering, finance, medicine, and the social science. Now I am going to tell about the man who reached the 20th century mathematics. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of the world's greatest mathematicians. His life story with its humble and sometimes difficult beginnings is an interesting in its own right as his astonishing work was. The book that started it all, Srinivasa Ramanujan, had his interest in mathematics unlocked by a book. Despite being a prodigy in mathematics, Srinivasa Ramanujan did not have an auspicious to start his career. He obtained a scholarship to college in 1904, but he quickly lost by failing non-mathematical subjects. One of the first problems he posed in general was to find the value of root. He began a partnership with the English mathematician G.H. Hardy. 1729 is called Hardy-Ramanujan number, and the smallest number that can be expressed as sum of two cubes in 9 different ways. He was born on December 22, 1887, Erode in Tamil Nadu. His father, Mr. Kuppuswamy Iyengar, was a clerk, and his mother, Mrs. Komalatamal, was a housewife. He completed his education in Trinity College and University of Cambridge. He got the award Fellow of the Royal Society in 1918. Srinivasa Ramanujan was first Indian to be elected to Royal Society of London. Every year the country celebrates National Mathematics Day on December 22 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. This was announced by the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26 February 2012 at Madras. Srinivasa Ramanujan was Indian mathematician who lived during British rule in India. He is known for his contributions in mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continuous fractions. He was died on 26 April 1920 in Kumbakonam due to cause of tuberculosis at the age of 32. Srinivasa Ramanujan was only Indian mathematician whose achievements were realized far after 50 years of his. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected correspondents, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, I am S.I. Satvika from 2nd standard. Now I want to share few words with you about my principal. I am studying in Priyanka English Medium High School. Mrs. Kakani Nirmala Srinivas Garu is the principal of our school. She is an MABD. She maintains display in the school. She guides the teachers and the students. She regular and punctual in her duty. She believes simple living and high thinking. She inspires the class daily. She addresses morning assembly daily. She gives extra coaching to weak students. She is popular among the staff and the students. She plays the role of an guardian too. All the students like her and praise her. Thank you. Happy graduation day.
Hi everyone, good evening. My mom is to all. My name is Ramaki Tati. I am studying LKG. I would like to share my feeling about my family day of my education at school. My school is situated at Kottanapat, Nellore. His name is Priyanka in his main school. There are more than 350 students in our school.
education. Importance of elections. Elections is a formal group of decision-making process by which a population chooses an individual or multiple individuals. The elections may fill offices in the executive, judiciary, and for regional local government. Elections may fill offices in a person who is citizen of India and who is 18 years of age until to vote the elections. This process is used in many other private and organizations and business. The elections commissions in order to ensure the free and fair elections of the country. So this is the process of elections. And now let me tell you about importance of elections. In India, there are several types of elections that take place at different levels of government. Here are the most common types of elections in India. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of Indian Parliament, and the elections are conducted every 5 years, and the elections are conducted to choose the representative parliament constituencies of the Lok Sabha. Number 2, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of Indian Parliament, and the elections are held every 5 years. And the elections or constituencies, the members of Rajya Sabha elected by the
Felicitation bouquet by our student Jessica.
What are this?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Felicitation with the bouquet by our student Pavitra. Dear audience, put your hands together and give a big round of applause.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Felicitation with a bouquet by our student Sandy Angel.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Please be seated.
Over gatherings.
Please put your hands together.
Priyanka Institutions Molapeta branch graduation ceremony. Pateganpeta efficiency awards function విచ్చేసిన తల్లిదండ్రులకు పిల్లలకు నా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఈ ప్రియాంక విద్యా సంస్థలను అత్యంత అద్భుతంగా నడుపుతున్న డైరెక్టర్ శ్రీనివాస్ గారికి, అలాగే హెడ్ మ్యామ్ నిర్మల గారికి అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. ప్రియాంక విద్యా సంస్థలు వారు 23 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం నెలకొల్పడం జరిగింది. ఈ విద్యా సంస్థల్లో ఫస్ట్ 100 మంది కూడా లేరు. ఈ విద్యా సంస్థల్లో 23 ఏళ్ల కృషితో ఈరోజు 1500 మంది వరకు పిల్లలు ఉండడం చాలా గొప్ప విశేషం. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ధ్యేయం ఏంటంటే తక్కువ ఫీజుతో అత్యంత అద్భుతంగా కార్పొరేట్ కాలేజీలో మించిన చక్కటి విద్యను అందించడం వల్లనే వారు ఇంత స్కూల్కి అభివృద్ధి చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇలాగే వారు తల్లిదండ్రుల కన్నా ఎక్కువగా పిల్లలను అత్యంత చక్కగా స్కూల్లో పాఠాలు చెప్పడమే కాకుండా క్రమశిక్షణతో వాళ్ళని పెంచడం, అలాగే వారికి వారి రంగాలలో డ్యాన్స్ ఉంటే డ్యాన్స్, కరాటే ఉంటే కరాటే, అలాంటి స్పోర్ట్స్ అన్నింటిలో కూడా చక్కటి నైపుణ్యంతో విద్యను ప్రదర్శించడంతో విద్యను అందించడంతో చక్కగా ఈరోజు ప్రియాంక విద్యార్థులు చాలా వేల మంది మంచి ఉన్నత చదువులు చదువుతూ ఎంబీబీఎస్ డాక్టర్స్ గాను, ఇంజనీర్లు గాను వేలాది మంది తయారై ఉన్నారు. మీరు కూడా అలాంటి అభివృద్ధిలోకి రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అంతేకాకుండా శ్రీనివాస్ గారు.
హ్యాపీ ఈవినింగ్ పేరెంట్స్, అందరూ బాగున్నారా? ఎస్ చిల్డ్రన్, హ్యాపీ ఈవినింగ్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎస్ ఓకే, వచ్చేసి మా చిన్నాలను ఆశీర్వదించడానికి వచ్చినందుకు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ దట్. Yeah, children, please children, listen carefully. Yeah, parents, I want to say something about school. Because of ఈరోజు ప్రియాంక ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ జరుగుతుందంటే డెఫినెట్గా మనం స్కూల్ గురించి కూడా కొంచెం మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. పిల్లల గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం, స్కూల్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం, స్కూల్ని రన్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి వ్యక్తి గురించి కూడా మనం మాట్లాడుకుందాం. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు జరుగుతున్నటువంటి కార్యక్రమం గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అంటే యూకేజీ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్న పిల్లలకి మనం ఇస్తున్నటువంటి ఒక కాన్వకేషన్. సో ప్లే LU ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాల లోపల పిల్లలు ఎలా ఉంటారు అంటే చాలా సున్నితమైన మనస్తత్వం కలిగినటువంటి చిన్న పిల్లలు, అవునా? సో ఈ చిన్న పిల్లల్ని ఒక విధంగా ట్రీట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి 10th క్లాస్ వరకు ఉన్న పిల్లల్ని ఒకలా ట్రీట్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ మేము 2 పాత్రలు 3 పాత్రలు పోషించాల్సి ఉంటుంది స్కూల్లో, అవునా? సో ఈ చిన్న పిల్లల గురించి నేను ఇప్పుడు మీతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. చిన్న పిల్లలు ఎలాంటి వాళ్ళంటే, ఏమండి మీరు ఒక మొక్క వేశారు, ఒక మొక్కని నాటారు, ఆ మొక్క బాగా పెరగాలంటే ఏం చేద్దాం, ఏం చేయాలి? వదిలేద్దాం అలాగే? దానికి సఫిషియెంట్ వాటర్ వేయాలి, దానికి కావాల్సిన ఎరువు వేయాలి, ఇంకా బాగా పెరుగుతుందేమో అని చెప్పి అక్కడ ఎరువు ఇక్కడ ఎరువు ఏమేమి వాడితే బాగొస్తుందో చేస్తామా? ప్రియాంక స్కూల్ కూడా అంతే. మేము మీ బిడ్డలందరినీ చెట్టులాగే చూస్తాం. చెట్టు కాదు, మొక్క. ఒక మొక్కలాగే మీ పిల్లలందరినీ మేము ట్రీట్ చేస్తాం. వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి, ఇంకా ఏమిస్తే ఆ పిల్లలు ఇంకా డెవలప్ అవుతారు. మీరు గమనించారా? ఇక్కడ స్టేజ్ మీదకి వచ్చి మైక్ పట్టుకొని నాన్ స్టాప్గా మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారో నాకైతే తెలియదు, కానీ నాకు ఎంత సంతోషంగా ఉందంటే పిల్లలు ఆ విధంగా LKG బాబు వచ్చి వాళ్ళ మదర్ గురించి చెప్పాడు. అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? ఒక్క LKG చిన్న పిల్లాడు వచ్చి మైక్ పట్టుకొని, నేను ఇప్పుడు మైక్ అక్కడికి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను, ఎంతమంది వచ్చి మైక్ పట్టుకొని మాట్లాడతారు ఇక్కడ? ఒక్కసారి రైజ్ చేయండి హ్యాండ్స్. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళే రైజ్ చేయండి. పేరెంట్స్ చేయలేదు, ఎవ్వరూ పేరెంట్స్ చేయలేదు. చేశారంటే నేను మైక్ పంపిస్తాను. ఎందుకు? మనకు తెలుసు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మాట్లాడాలంటే ఆ ఫియర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ భయం ఎలా ఉంటుందో మనకు తెలుసు. చిన్న పిల్లలు అప్పటి నుంచే ఆ బిడ్డల్లో ఆ భయం పోగొట్టాలి. వాళ్ళకి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ప్రియాంక ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్లో 10th కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని బయట వెళ్ళే లోపల వాళ్ళని ఎలా తీర్చిదిద్దాలంటే, రేపు వాడు ఏ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళినా సరే విన్ అయి తిరిగి రావాలి తప్పితే భయపడిపోయి అక్కడ అడిగే క్వశ్చన్స్కి భయపడి వాళ్ళని ఫేస్ చేయలేక వెనక్కి తిరిగి రాకూడదు. ఇది మా మోటో. ఎందుకు ఇంత చిన్న పిల్లలకి ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు అలవాటు చేస్తామంటే ఇది. సో రాగానే ఆ వెల్కమ్ ఎలా ఉందంటే ఆ పిల్లలు మాట్లాడుతూ చాలా చక్కగా ఉంది. గమనించారా మీరందరూ? విన్నారా మీరందరూ? సో ప్రియాంక ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా చైల్డ్ యొక్క డెవలప్మెంటే మా ముఖ్య ధ్యేయము. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, ఇక్కడ ఇంత లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైం మేము స్కూల్లో ఎందుకు స్పెండ్ చేస్తాము, నేను కానీ సార్ కానీ. మాకు కూడా 2 పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు, నాకు ఉన్నారు 2, ఒక పాప ఒక బాబు. సో వాళ్ళతో కూడా మేము టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాలి, అవునా? మీ పిల్లలకి ఇచ్చిన టైం తర్వాతనే మా బిడ్డలకి మేము టైం ఇచ్చుకుంటాం. సో అంత టైంని మేము స్కూల్లో పిల్లలతో వెచ్చిస్తాం. ఎందుకు వెచ్చిస్తాము? ఏం చేయడానికంటే పిల్లల్లో కొత్తవి తీసుకురావాలి, మాట్లాడే స్కిల్ డెవలప్ చేయాలి. ఇంతకుముందు మీరు గమనించారు, మన స్కూల్లో ఎప్పుడు ఇలాగా పిల్లలతో ఇంత 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 ఎక్కువగా మాట్లాడించలేదు. ఏది ఉన్నా సరే మా స్కూల్ సరౌండింగ్లో ఉండింది తప్పితే స్టేజ్ ఎక్కించి మేము ఇంత ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేయలేదు. బట్ చేయాల్సినటువంటి పరిస్థితి వచ్చేసింది. బికాస్ బయట కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్, పిల్లలు బయట వెళ్ళారు అంటే అందరూ పరిగెడుతున్నారు. మన బిడ్డలు నడిస్తే ప్రయోజనం లేదు. ఆ పరిగెత్తే వరల్డ్లో మన పిల్లలు కూడా పరిగెత్తాలి అనే ఒక ఉద్దేశంతో పిల్లల్ని అన్ని విధాల ఆల్రౌండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ పిల్లవాళ్ళు తీసుకొని రావాలనే. మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు, సీను సారు మార్నింగ్ 10th పిల్లలు 4 o'clock ట్యూషన్ దగ్గర నుంచి నైట్ 10th పిల్లలు 11 o'clock ట్యూషన్ దాకా స్కూల్లోనే ఉంటూ పిల్లల్ని చూసుకుంటూ ఎంత కష్టపడుతున్నారో మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు. ప్రియాంక
పేరెంట్స్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. ఇక్కడికి గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ సెరమనీ అండ్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ అవార్డ్స్కి మీరందరూ విచ్చేసినందుకు ప్రియాంక విద్యా సంస్థల తరఫున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. ఈ సాయంత్రం వేళ మీరందరూ ఇక్కడ చేరి పిల్లల డ్యాన్స్లు అయితేనేమి, ప్రియాంక స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అయితేనేమి, అదేవిధంగా గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ సెరమనీకి తిలకించడానికి ఇక్కడికి అందరికీ మీరు చేరినందుకు చాలా సంతోషకరంగా ఉంది. కానీ మీరు మా చిన్న పిల్లలు ఎల్కేజీ పిల్లల నుంచి 9th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వరకు మీరు వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడినటువంటి మాటలు మీరు విన్నారు. అది ప్రియాంక యొక్క స్పెషల్. ఎందుకనంటే మనము మేడం గారు చెప్పారు, ఇప్పుడు నిర్మల మేడం చెప్పారు, మీలో ఎవరైనా మైక్ ఇచ్చినా కానీ చాలా తడబడతారు. అలాంటిది ఎక్కడ కూడా తడబడకుండా ప్రతి పిల్లవాడు చాలా చురుగ్గా మాట్లాడడం అనేది మీరు చూశారు. అదేవిధంగా క్లాస్లో ఎవరో 1 or 2 అనుకుంటారేమో, ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని క్లాస్లో 20 మెంబర్స్లో కనీసం 18 మెంబర్స్ని మేము మాట్లాడించగలం. కానీ మీ ముందు ఈరోజు మాట్లాడించాలంటే అంత టైం సరిపోదు, మీరు కూడా చాలా బోర్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. కాబట్టి మేము కొంతమంది పిల్లల్ని తీసుకున్నాం. ఆ కొంతమంది పిల్లల్ని కూడా మీ ముందు ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేశాం. ప్రతి ఒక్క పిల్లవాడు కూడా ఎలా చెప్తున్నారు అనేది మీకు తెలుసు. మీరు కంపేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, బయట స్కూల్స్లో సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎలా ఉంది, ప్రియాంక స్కూల్లో సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎలా ఉంది, ప్రియాంక స్కూల్లో టైం ఎంత స్పెండ్ చేస్తారు మేనేజ్మెంటు, అదేవిధంగా బయట స్కూల్లో ఎంత టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నారు మన బిడ్డల కోసం అని చెప్పేసి మీరు ఆలోచించవచ్చు. అదేవిధంగా ప్రతి పిల్లల్లో ఎవరు డల్లర్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు ఉండరండి. వాళ్ళల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి చదువుని మనం బయట తీసుకురావాలనంటే డిఫరెంట్ వేస్లో మేము తీసుకురావడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. పిల్లల్ని కొట్టి పొగిడి తిట్టి రకరకాలుగా మేము వాళ్ళల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి డెవలప్మెంట్ని మేము బయట తీసుకురావడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. అది పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఏంటంటే కొంతమంది 1 or 2 మెంబర్స్ కూడా డల్లర్స్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. ఏ పేరెంట్ కూడా అధైర్యపడాల్సినంత అవసరం అయితే లేదండి. వాళ్ళు ఏజ్ రీత్యా వాళ్ళల్లో మెమరీ పవర్ పెరుగుతూ కొంచెం మార్పులు అనేవి జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రతి పిల్లవాడు కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అవుతారు. మీలో కూడా 1 or 2 పేరెంట్ ఎవరన్నా ఉండి ఆ విధంగా మా బిడ్డలు ఇట్లా చదవట్లేదని చెప్పి సఫర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఎవరన్నా ఉన్నా కానీ అధైర్యపడవద్దని చెప్పేసి మేము ఈ సభాముఖంగా మీకు అందరికి కూడా తెలియజేస్తున్నాం.
Adorable. Give them a big round of applause for our tiny graduates. One more time. I can't hear your sound. They are eagerly waiting to share their words, share their feelings and their congratulations moment. That is a lifetime moment for them all. Give your
distribute the medals and commemorative certificates to graduates. I congratulate Creative Kritisha on behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools on completion of her graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Kritisha. Thank you so much. On behalf of Priyanka Group of Schools on completion of her graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Monica. Thank you so much.
Please put your hands together. Dear audience, we need your encouragement.
parents, we need your response.
Give them a big round of applause. Melodious Maunisha on behalf of Priyanka on completion of her
completion of his graduation, may all wishes come true. Thank you, cheerful Chekrish Punil. Parents, we need your encouragement. Congratulate mind-blowing Mokshit Sai on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, mind-blowing Mokshit Sai. Royal Raven on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Royal Raven. Thank you so much. Congratulate Miracle and Midun on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Miraculous Midun. Thank you so much. Parents, we need your encouragement. I congratulate Peter Sitanga on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, John. I congratulate Joyful Jai Krishna on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Joyful Jai Krishna. I congratulate Patrick Kansundar on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Patrick Kansundar. Thank you so much. Give them a big round of applause. I congratulate on behalf of Priyanka English Medium School on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Shanting Shanmo. Thank you so much. Awesome Gaudi on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, amazing Gaudi. Thank you so much. You have been congratulate Unique Ubaid on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, Unique Ubaid. Thank you so much. Congratulate beautiful Bharat on behalf of Priyanka Group of Girls on completion of his graduation. May all wishes come true. Thank you, beautiful Bharat. Thank you so much. Round of clap.
Introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 little words, 2 little words, 2 little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our 2 little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank
Today I am delighted to welcome you all on the occasion of graduation. I would like to share my experience with you. I learned many things during my journey. In kindergarten, my teacher gave us the best education and we learned lot of new things. I am grateful to all hardworking teachers who help us to achieve our next level of education. I wish good luck to all my friends. Thank you all. Happy graduation.
Good evening to all respected correspondents, our teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Vinod from UKG. Today is a special day. Have we celebrating our graduation day? I am very happy. First, I would like to thank our teachers for their hard work and dedication. They taught us so much and helped us grow in so many ways. We have learned the alphabet, numbers, rhymes, stories, words, good handwriting. I am disciplined and good behavior. We have learned to read, write, and count numbers. Next, I would like to thank our parents for their love and support. Thank you to all. Happy graduation.
Round of applause.
Hi, good evening, respected correspondents, our teachers, parents, and my fellow friends. Today is a special day for all of us have gathered here to celebrate our kindergarten journey. So enjoyable. I would also like to thank my friends for sharing their snacks and playing games with me. The memorials you have made together will always hold a special place in my heart. Lastly, I want to thank our parents for being our greatest supports, your constant encouragement, and we love you very much. Thank you. Happy
Is very much excited to share a few words with regarding his graduation. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Sponsor teachers, parents,